students, welcome again in computer class. Today we will learn chapter number 6, part 2. Our topic is control panel. Look at the picture. This is our picture of control panel icons. Control panel is very important icon for advanced management of your computer system. It allows you to change different settings of your computer system and customize the functionality of your computer. Using the control panel, you can back up your computer data, change the settings for internet and networking, manage different hardware, install unwanted programs and create different user accounts, change the appearance of computer, set date and time and languages, etc. So many words about this icon. Control panel works to many hard work. Now we will learn about changing the desktop background. See, here we have Windows 7 allows to change its look by changing desktop background, Windows color, Windows sounds and screensaver. To make these changes, just right click on the empty area of your desktop and select personalize option from the pop-up menu. You will see the following screen. Look at the screen. When we open our pop-up menu and we will go on change the background of desktop. So many options are there: view, sort by, refresh, paste shortcut, shade folder, etc. Now see, here at the bottom of the screen you see 4 options to make changes in the look of the Windows 7. Which are there? First of all, desktop background. This is used to change the background image. Clicking on this option will bring the screen as shown here. Look here, this is the screen when we change our desktop background. Here you can select one or more images to be as the desktop background. Each image will remain on desktop for 30 minutes by default. You can also change this timing from 10 seconds to 1 day. Using browser button, you can select other image and even one photo album. See, on the screen you have all the photos from your gallery you can choose. Similarly, you can change the Windows color scheme, sounds and screensaver setting. Now, most important thing about turn off your computer safely. Friends, remember that this is the most important task while using a computer. If the computer is not turned off properly, there are chances of causing damage to the computer which may result in loss of information stored in a computer. आप अच्छे से कंप्यूटर को टर्न ऑफ नहीं करेंगे तो जो भी कंप्यूटर की इंफॉर्मेशन है वो डैमेज होने की संभावना है. Before you turn off the computer, make sure that no programs are running. For example, if you are working with Paint and if you want to turn off the computer, then first close the Paint program. So that most important thing is that if any running program on the desktop, first you must close it and after then go in start button and close your computer. For example, the above image of the taskbar indicates that there are 2 programs, Notepad and Paint running. If you have 2 programs are there, Notepad and Paint, so first you should save and close these programs and then turn off the computer. After closing all programs, click on the start button and then click on the shutdown as shown on the following screen. Look at the screen. First, आपका कोई भी प्रोग्राम डेस्कटॉप पर रनिंग दिखाई नहीं देना चाहिए. Then you go on start button. You will not see anything on the monitor after the computer shut down. Do not press the power button of CPU again after you click on turn off option. Now if you have the UPS connected, then switch it off. Now put off the switch on the wall which is connected to the CPU. One by one, step by step, you turn your computer. Otherwise, you have all the information may be damaged. Should now put off the switch on the wall and then after then turn off the computer. You cover the computer properly after it shuts down. So now you got it how to turn off the computer. First you must close your running program. Your program will be saved, and after then you close your old running program and then go on start button. Then you shut down properly your computer, and after shutdown you switch off all switches, CPU, connected UPS and wall switch off, and then you cover your computer properly. Thank you.